Again, crying, leaving. Look who is here. Just one moment, guys, and we'll get out of here, okay? It's raining. It's raining. I've been sitting here talking to you guys. I'm not even recording, but hello, good morning.
I thought you were just like
looking
at yourself.
But we're loading up to get out. The two littles are sleeping. We're cleaning things up and we're gonna head out of here. Today's head out day. If we didn't have Travis with us, Autumn and them already left, so you can't ride with Chris. I was thinking about going to Chicago because it's only an hour away from here. But party pooper don't like Chicago, and we're just gonna go home, start getting ready for school life. Life back at school. But I'm gonna clean this stuff up and we're gonna get on the road. Hey, bye cabin. Thanks for being good to us. Got it set up just the way we left it. Plus probably better. Clean the... Oh, there's a hat on there. I knew it. Check high and low. Believe everything's good. Now we gotta work on the outside a little more. Little more. Okay, we're heading out. Were you taking that green bucket? I'm checking one more time. Actually, we left the key somewhere, so guess I'm gonna be charged for it. I'm going to be charged, but I'm gonna check when I get home, and if I got it, I'm gonna mail it back. And if we don't, I'll just get charged for it. It's dark right now. I could really literally cry right now. And I'm stressed out. But there's more work. It's always more work leaving than coming. But we also gotta leave the crochet thing because Chris left and they all left early and they all brought stuff in Chris's truck. Travis did when he showed up here, and now since they all left, we didn't put anything in Chris's truck, so now we're stuck with extra stuff and we don't have room for it. But I'll let you guys know if we find the key or if I'm crying. Again, crying, leaving. Destination, we're home, sweet home. We gotta get Trusty out before we do anything. Oh, Lisa, there she is, goddess. She's on kid duty now.
Hi, Manny.
Is she excited to see you?
We're back. We're back.
Cassie, look, she's smiling. Look, she's smiling over there. Over here, Nita. Look, over here. Tressie. Tressie. Any back there? She's smiling over there.
Sissy.
Oh, what are doing?
She's like, finally.
Come on, come on, come on.
Guess what, you guys? Found the key. Guess where I had it? I've been searching and cleaning up everything as I go. I still got suitcases to unravel, but I started thinking, like, Tressie stayed asleep the whole time, and at the very end I picked all the covers up and balled them, and I started thinking, I bet you they're in the covers. Undid all the covers before I started undoing the luggages, and there it was. So found the key. Now I just need to ship it back to them. We cannot lose this. So tomorrow morning, shipping this thing out, and I'm gonna get this stuff all undone and take me a nap. I'm wore out. Another thing is, this fun little piece came in right here. This little fun piece, so show you later. You guys, don't mind me. Look who is here. Oh my gosh. I've been lounging around doing nothing. About to start editing. Look, but we're about to head to Walmart so the kids can get what they want.
It's 7:17, guys.
Be doing some
Walmart
stuff.
closes
I'm about to go to Walmart like this.
Look at me. Look at my
4
outfit.
hours. Walmart closes in 4 hours.
Look at me.
Look at my outfit. Look at my outfit.
Shut up. Oh, what it's like to go shopping with Gracie and Addie. Oh, where are you at, Addie? What's Gracie gonna get? What's Gracie gonna get? This is the aisle I need. Look at all the coffee. What shall I choose this time? McDonald's, 2 for $14. Maybe. Let me smell it. Yeah. What about some Starbucks coffee? That's what I'm talking about right there. Some Starbucks. What do I want? I want some caramel. I'm not a fan of the cold brew, but I will get some caramel right there. Look at that girl. Oh, look, they got little bitty instant ones. How cute. Never know that. 2 times the caffeine right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these.
Out of your chips. We're gonna get smashed.
Where are they? They're little bitty,
Cake.
like hot chocolate. How cute. Maybe I should do Dunkin' Espresso this time. Try something different. That's why I like Meijer's. We're at Meijer's, by the way. My dad got me into oat milk. So I'm thinking about doing this one. I don't know. What's this? Coconut milk? It's coconut. I might do this oatmeal milk. Oatmeal milk. I can't say it, but I'm gonna try it. And they don't expire for a long time too. It's what I like. What else? They have so much fun stuff at Meijer's. There's creamers, Starbucks. I have some Starbucks creamer at home though. So what is this one? White chocolate mocha. What kind do I have at home? I need to find out. Look at this. That's hidden back here. These are iced coffees. Should I try these? Should I try that? Oh, there's a caramel and there's a Reese. Look at this. I don't know what to do. I don't know what these kids are thinking, but they're filling me up. I got a little cart for a reason. I did find clothes. I did find clearance. What'd you get now?
Get back.
You too. Oh my gosh. Krusty's eating baby food now, not Addie.
No, yeah.
Gracie has guys showing up helping us. Look at that, at our service. That's what I'm talking about.
No, I'm gonna take this home.
My new
Go to
friend.
my house and eat it all.
This is what we got. Bunch of junk. But we're home. Baby sister's just been in here getting spoiled. She's gonna be a spoiled little girl.
Yes, you are.
All them siblings, honey. They're so spoiled.
Yeah. Look what I got.
Anybody else have any problems with their kids taking chargers, things that don't belong to them? Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the next day. Gracie's done left this morning. I'm gonna take these kiddos to the Children's Museum today. All their birthdays is like in a week away. Addie's going with me to help. Baby's staying here. She's been a little fussy. I wanted to jump on here now because when we were gonna go down to Lake Michigan, I was gonna take my van, but you know, everything happened. And I didn't get to take it, but I was gonna put subscribe to my channel on my van, and I finally should probably do that. It'd be fun to see how many people subscribe. So if you are subscribed from me putting this on my van, let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Addie got dressed up today to be fancy. Hang on, did I spell it wrong now? No, did I? I'm having a brain fart.
Subscribe to Chaotic 8 on YouTube. The E looks a little messed up.
Okay.
Subscribe. Look at the.
Now Addie's putting it. There you go, girl. Just one moment, guys, and we'll get out of here, okay? Lucas Oil Stadium means we're getting close.
Football.
Yeah, it's football. Good job. I will say we are getting a lot of stares with the writing. Like, I've had people get behind me just to read it. And I've had people on the side looking at it. It is kind of embarrassing. I will say that. But, oh well. It's kind of funny too. Just remember, if you're here from this free advertisement on my van, please let me know. Because that would be funny.
Right there. Where?
There they are.
Oh my god. Wait.
Who's excited?
This is at the museum?
Who's excited?
Oh my god, here they go! Oh my god, there's a baby! It's a big one. Dude, look, guys, there's a big one and a baby.
We have been here before. I forgot that's the place.
You excited? Look, there's a dinosaur here, you guys. Uh-oh, look. Oh no, come on, look.
Mama, look, Mama.
Let's go have some fun. You wanna go see dinosaurs? Huh? Hang on, wait. You wanna take a picture over there? They got new dinosaurs. You wanna see dinosaurs? All right.
Yep.
That's a dinosaur. Let's take a picture, come on. What is going on? Let's go. Whoa.
Strong jaws and sharp teeth.
Oh my God, this big.
Those holes can kill.
It's raining.
It's a mess.
Look, they're at work digging up bones. They found more bones. Look at that. What is that?
Have it here.
Addie's going fishing again, like she hasn't had enough. We're on a train. Oh my goodness.
I got a ticket. We're actually driving. Mommy, stop that noise.
Next up, where are we going? Looks like we're going to space. Get set. Go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. You gotta stop at the top. Stop at the top. Go, Bubby, go, go, go. You won't leave me. Woo! They already beat us. Did you win, McKinley? Did you win? You guys see something? Do you see something? What's behind me? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. What's this? You get to work? Put it on. You look like mommy when I wear my vest. Here. Oh my gosh, get to work, Bubby. You put the screws on there. Hey, I'll get these screws, Bubby. Right here. Right here. You gotta go like this. You gotta go. Bubba? You ready to go in here? Matthew's shoes are giving him a blister. So we gotta find Bubba more shoes, huh?
One of them screen things that Matthew don't like. That thing, I've never saw that here.
Yeah, it's here.
That thing, look.
I know it's here. Like we've been to Science Land and there's Little Italy, Greece. You can't really see it, it's over there. But we've been to a lot of these places, but they have like the new Scooby-Doo. There's a lot of new things that we want to go to. So we're gonna try to find those and skip out on the things we've already done a million times. Now I can show you guys, oh my gosh, my phone's gonna die and my camera once again. So I'm gonna save the battery that I can. But we've been in here in Little Italy before. That's Little Italy. This is where we haven't been before. This is Scooby-Doo land. My camera's gonna die on me, so I'm sorry guys. I'll probably have to talk to you guys at home and show you pictures. It is so cool in here. So cool. Alright, here's the outside before the camera dies. Look at the pacer with the little fan seats to watch our kids. Like, how cool. This is all the outside stuff. Hopefully I can get more. Look at the little Colts area for football. Look at this. How freaking cool. This is where we're going, to the tree house. Look at the baseball field for the kids. There's soccer. They're excited about the tree house.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now.
Well, that's the end of the video. My phone died, my camera died. I didn't bring my backup battery. And yeah, but it's been a few days since that video. I'm actually editing it now, so figured I'd end the video to it. But I did get my phone charged and we went and picked up some Culvers and went to the park, and I let the kids go to the splash pad at the park and just live it up. You weren't there. No. But you will go there one time, for sure. But yeah, we had a good time. Is she spitting out? Yes, she is. Whoops. The kids had a great time. They truly did. We had so much fun. I hate that my camera died and my phone died, so I can only show you what I got. But other than that, we had a fantastic time. And we'll see you guys again next time. Love ya. Say bye.